Okay, this is part 3. Sorry, that was me. I just got excited. Alright. We are going to play. Let's plate. The rest of the parts. Let me see if this. Oh, there's a heart later. Let me try the other one out. Oh, look, I got money. Let's see. Got a lot of money right here. See, I fell on the table. Okay, that'll be $400. I only got 402. 401. 2. That's where I put my moon. Pull up. This is in the shopping bag. Grandma, where's the remote cat? Oh, I see it. Sorry. I'll just tell my grandma. This is the remote cat. Okay. And you look at this right here. If you all can see it, it says on the bottom right here. It's fun. It's fun to play with, but don't eat it. And it's making pretend Sunday. Look at this Sunday that made all this. All right.
That's right, Amy.
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
I just trying to put why I think it's on. Hold on.
And for those people who own pets or have allergies or asthma, especially parents with young children, this is great news.
Because our family has allergies, the most important thing when we have a...
Oh, this is the new okay. This is the new mutton stuff. I really love mutton stuff and the little cute with eyes there. Let's just get started with the game video. I'm gonna start with this pink bowl, and we're gonna put it in there. Oops. Yeah, I'll just open this up. Make it so soft. But I just got it too. Okay, just go down.
Hey Zippy, let's go start our school. Come on. Hey Zippy, we gotta start school. What's wrong? Oh, I know what he wants. You want to play a game, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
He said yep.
Let's go ring
I
the
can
bell,
speak dog.
but not till I count to 3. You ready?
Yep.
Remember, Zippy, not till I count to 3.
So I can speak dog.
Okay, 1,
Okay,
2, 2.5. Wait for it.
3.
Wait for it. 3.
Oh, he just did a trick. That cool. Okay, you see, I got it. I just do that. And then I'll just put it in here. I'll just put another one.
1, 2, 3, 4, get your puzzle through the door. That's right.
Okay, I'm making that. One more thing. Grandma, she funny and cute too.
Dixie! Hey, Sonny. How are you feeling, Sonny?
Sunny today.
Hey, Stuff. Oh, hi, Kelvin.
Yeah.
I'm so glad I finally found you.
Kelvin, that girl looks exactly like Daisy Lou, the famous country pop star.
That's because I am.
And she sounds like her, too.
I was on my tour bus when I found this little pup by the side of the road and I just had to stop. I'd love to keep her, but I'm just too busy singing songs for my concerts to have a dog of my own.
Don't worry. I know how to find her a good home. Do you want to stay with us for a bit now?
Don't mind if I do.
Great.
She's cute.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Let's see who's here today. It's time for the doggy roll call. Let's start with my dog, Zippy. And hello to you, Princess Pickles.
Okay, just put it back in. And we'll get this shake and I'll get it because this is milkshake.
And Grandma.
Told you that he's grandma. And he crickets a lot.
Sonny, happiest dog ever. Dude, surfer dog.
I like Super Dog. He's funny. Wait. Again, he hides in every place. Funny spaces. And then he goes like, oh. Sometimes he giggle. Yeah. Nobody can remember. It's just the same thing. He is yellow.
We have some visitors today. Welcome, Daisy Lou, and a new friend.
Hi, y'all.
Hello, hello.
Today we're gonna help find a home for this cute pup she found. Zippy, what can our pack do to make this little guy feel welcome?
Look at this.
Give it a good spin.
Just shaking it up. Okay, shaking it shake.
Playtime.
Now let's just put the ice cream in there.
Okay, guys, let's play
Woo!
red light, green light, red light, green light, red light, green light.
Green light.
Yay, we got a winner!
Hey, Davenport. Davenport.
Hey, Zoe.
Daisy Lou
Huge
looks like a
eyes.
real cowgirl.
Well, I'm a real cow cat.
And her name is Belle.
Meow.
They stupid. Funny.
I'm okay.
Meowed you.
She's fitting right in.
She sure is. Good little baby Lou.
Who's Baby Lou?
Well, that's her new name. I just came up with it. What do you think?
Baby Lou. I love it. Once we find you a new home, your family's gonna love your name.
Oh, I hope so.
We better get you cleaned up first. It's time to groom and brush your hair.
Grooming? I can help. I know a thing or two about hair.
Whoa. And I thought I had a lot of fur.
Grandma now says it's cool. Still getting his hair a lot. What you got there, Grandma? Okay, this is a milkshake. We have no ice cream.
The puppies want to be
Why does you want to be nasty all the time?
It ain't no nasty. Is this yours?
Let me get up and clean up. Move on the side. Go down that way.
See, and
Oh, Jesus, Danielle. Now, you ain't supposed to play like this. Move.
I hope you had a good time watching.
Get on the other
I'm
side.
gonna get busted. Bye.